ukhethe kanjani ufike kanjani kule conclusion or le decision uthi hayi mina ngiyakubhakaniya na team engifuna ukuyidlalela and that's where you've also made your name there. You were one of the best left back mfethu in our PSL era. I won't lie about that. Now you were very strong and kore as a left back jo boyi yonke into ephelele. Bekukhuphuka yeah.
But to be honest, Ruto ba team ba iregisa. Re bona go newspaper na ba le re high. Na ke re bona mo newspaper re Stars, Free State Stars di tsamaile PSL. Ba file bo Chigo bo re ya chelete mula. Ke re ba no rena ro itsa byang. After a week ke ya bona kurante mola a betting go na chodo la ke le kwati thapelo di a go Pirate. No ibona kurante.
Gore o ya go Pirates.
Yeah.
Mara a management or your former management abaso Buchiko le Mamaria abaso bulweni.
Yeah. Akufetsa ke ibona la.
So kore or se kanke uthi mhlambe sibashaye ideal
bangasitshela.
bangantshelana.
Correct.